welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making Hasperat from the Star Trek Cookbook. The ingredients are very few, starting off with 4 10-inch flour tortillas, a third of a cup of kimchi, 1 to 2 tablespoons of the brine from the kimchi, 6 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. In this bowl I've got 2 green bell peppers, and the recipe calls for 2 red ones also. My store didn't have them, so I substituted out with 1 yellow and 1 orange. And I've gone ahead and grated these on a hand grater and then allowed them to drain in a colander just to get some of that excess moisture out for about, about 10 minutes I think. And then after that I kind of pressed them down to get any excess moisture out. You want these as dry as you can get them. And then for my optional ingredients, I'm using some butter lettuce that I've roughly chopped, some bean sprouts, and some sliced green onions. Though these could easily be something like cilantro or your favorite kind of lettuce, or really anything that you think would go here. If you do not like kimchi, you can substitute it out for your favorite salsa. It'll work just as well. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start by moving these out of the way and bring in the base to my food processor, to which I'm going to add the kimchi, the cream cheese, and the kimchi brine. And that's all that's going into the food processor. I'm going to get this over on the base and get this processed into a spread. Now that I have the kimchi and cream cheese smoothed out into a nice little spread, I'm going to divide it evenly between all 4 of my tortillas and then spread it out evenly across the top of it. Now that I have all of this evenly spread out, I've gone ahead and overlapped my tortillas by about 2.5 to 3 inches, just on the one edge. And now all we have left to do is to evenly divide all the remaining ingredients across the 4 tortillas here. The next thing to go on are going to be the bean sprouts. I just want a few of these across the top. I don't want to get too crazy with them. Then some of my green onions. I think I'm going to go a little heavier on the green onions on this one. And not quite as heavy over here. You can really customize these to your taste. A little bit of my butter lettuce, and then all we have left to do is get these little babies wrapped up and give them a try. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. Start on the short end, and then you want to roll these as tight as you can all the way to the other end. Alright, well, we had a little bit of a blowout on the way up to the other end, but that's okay. It's all going in the same place, right? Alright, let's get this last one rolled up. Hopefully not quite as messy. Maybe I should, I think I should have put the end up the other way. Yeah, I like that one. That one seems to have held together just a little bit better. There we go. These are still pretty massive babies here. Let's go ahead and get these cut in half and get them plated up. I've gone ahead and plated the Hasperat up, and now all I've got left to do is try this out. Very messy, I have to say, but the cream cheese mixture tastes very good. These turned out really well. I like the flavors going on here. The bean sprouts add a nice bit of crunch that I think it really could use. In fact, I could actually even go for a little bit more crunch, like maybe some fried onions or something, though I don't think that's the point of these, but I do think they would go really well in here. The kimchi, I did get a spicy kimchi because that's the kind I prefer, but the cream cheese really mellowed it out, so there's almost no heat at all. I think I would actually add a little dash of hot sauce, to be honest with you. But overall, these are incredible, and I am definitely going to be making them again. Though I do think I want to try them with the salsa. I'm a little bit intrigued by that. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If y'all have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you guys tried this recipe out, let me know how it turns out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.